When creating this line of rapeseed oils, we feel that that is a great example of how to combine Swedish traditional farming and then pairing it with convenience and flavors that would complement the type of cooking that we like today. The result is a versatile set of oils that easily can become those that you like to have in your kitchen and use in your everyday cooking. We can divide these oils into two different types with two different functions. They all have less saturated fats than, for example, an olive oil, so from a health perspective it's a great choice as well. The first one, is a natural pressed oil, quite neutral in flavor, so it has the great function of carrying other flavors and spices. Perfect when making a mayonnaise or cold sauces. It has a high heat resistance as well when pan frying or grilling, for example. This one we also make with a butter flavor that is great to use when baking cookies or bread. The second type is cold pressed oil that we developed with 3 different flavors. These oils can really add an additional layer to your dish and really amplify the dish overall. It's great when making delicate vinaigrettes or marinades, or just curl over your salad or a piece of salmon, or just slightly brush over meat and fish on the grill. The first one is flavored with dill, and we use the crown dill that has a rich and flowery dill flavor. The second one is thyme, and the third one is wild garlic that we also call ramson. A lot of care is taken into the whole extraction process. They are pressed with only organic rape seeds. When we visit the farms down here in the south part of Sweden, you can really feel that love and respect that the farmers pay to the land and to what they do. And you can taste that care and passion that goes into every drop of this SMAKRIK rapeseed oils.